welcome back to my channel. It's Shania Baby back with another video, and if you're new, hit that subscribe button right now. I'll wait. But no, if you guys are new to my channel, thank you guys for clicking on my channel. And today we're gonna be reviewing this beautiful hair for $11. Well, $12 with tax. Outre penny, 26 inches. Stay tuned. So I ordered me some half wigs from Wig Types. The one I have here is Outre penny 26 in the color 1B. Wigtypes.com. I've been buying my wigs from there for so long. They're pretty cheap, and if you spend over $70, you get free shipping. I ordered my wig yesterday and it came today. So you know how they be having the people on the box wearing a wig or whatever. Taking out the package. The hair care instructions. Then you know how they have the stapled, well not stapled, but that. Okay, go over there. You got this, and then it has the little, what are these called? The little whatever, y'all know what they call. And then they have the lunch lady hairnet, which you take off. Oh, okay. Let's see if she was worth Alright, so the wig was $11.88 on Wig Types. And you know, if you spend $70, you'll have free shipping. But I think shipping's like $12 if you don't spend $70. So I'd rather spend $70 in shipping instead of paying the extra $12 for shipping. Well, $70 and like, I'd rather buy $70 worth of stuff instead of paying $12 more for shipping and just get the free shipping. Alright, so you know, half wigs have the comb up top, the comb at the bottom. I don't think they have adjustable straps. Oh yeah, they do. Adjustable straps on the side. So now I'm going to cut this off. Ooh. I'm going to cut this off and we'll get to styling. Or rip it off. You know, that always works. So y'all ready for me to style this wig? Well, we're going to pull out some hair. I have my hair in braids, by the way. Just, you know, braids going back. In the wig cap. It really shouldn't matter what wig cap color you got on because there's no lace anyway. So it really shouldn't matter. But if you want to do all that extra stuff, that's up to you. So I'm just going to take out some of my hair. I got a little bit of gel right here. So I'm just going to spray some water. Take out one braid to get some hair out because that braid was really tight, but this is all you need out. If I need more, I'll pull out some more. But now I'm gonna take my juice real quick and drink something. All right, no. Now I'm gonna take my wig cap and put it back on. The remaining of my hair that's braided. We'll tuck the little back hairs in. Oh, almost wiped off my eyebrow. I did. I wiped off my eyebrow. Wow, wiped off my eyebrow, guys. I gotta fix that real quick. Shit, this ain't the last video. I just can't be half-assing it. Dang, how do I do that? Wipe off my whole eyebrow. Something else. Alright. The wig is really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see it, but hopefully y'all can see it. It's really pretty. So we're just gonna put it on with the clips. Okay. Look a little crazy because my hair out, but let's style my hair first and then we'll worry about the other hair. actually I'm gonna try the edge booster that I bought from Wig Types for $4.99 that came with it. It's in the flavor strawberry, or well, yeah, it smells good too. I guess you could say the flavor strawberry, because me ain't gonna eat it though, but I want to try it out for my edges myself. So that's what I'm gonna be starting to use now. I forgot all about it, but that's what it looked like. It smells like strawberries too. It's a strong hold and high shine with natural argan oil. My real hair that's right here, I'm gonna push that hair over top of that. Oh, this is cute. Make sure you got hair covering up, your real hair covering up. So now we're gonna use my spray bottle of water. Well, there's only a little bit, but I'm gonna use my leave-in conditioner I got from Dollar Tree. It smells like coconut, so that's what I'm gonna be putting on the hair. It smells good. That leave-in conditioner made this hair smell even better. I mean, the hair didn't stink, but you know what I'm saying. I'm always looking for some cheap hair. Alright guys, I'm gonna do a close-up real quick. Oh! So we got my hair out and my hair curls up a little bit. The Gots, no, it's not. We're not using the Gots to be glue. We're using Gorilla Snot and Edge Booster. Those are the two products we're using right now. So yeah, those are the two products we're using right now. And then some water. I know some people like the I just like the finger combing. I don't want it to, you know, get real poofy. I like more of a sleek look than a poofy look. But I mean, I'll rock both. And it, I guess you could say it has layers, but it's really pretty. For $11, I'll buy thousands. But it's only $11. So if you want to spend $11 on some synthetic curly hair, Outre Penny is the wig for you. And I didn't even have to pull out all that extra hair because it's sitting like right here. I didn't even have to pull out all that, so I could just put that back if I really wanted to. Now the styling is completely up to you guys how you want to style it. You could leave it like this, or you could put it up in a half a bun. You know, that's when you have more hair. So like the hair right here, pull it up like that. But other than that, I think it's super pretty for $11. Let's fix it back. I done messed it up. For $11, I think it's really pretty. And I just sprayed it with some water and conditioner. It has layers to style it. I mean, you can keep it like this. It looks perfectly fine like this, guys. But I'm gonna style it because you know I like being just a tad bit extra. I'm gonna style it real quick. So if you guys want to stay tuned and watch me style it, go right ahead. If you want to bounce, you can bounce. And thank you for clicking on this video. Okay, so since I can't find any bobby pins, I'm using my wig clips, what I clip my wigs on. So I just twisted my real hair and the hair back and just clipped to the side so you can see my edges and for a more natural look. So I'm gonna leave it like this. I think it's really cute. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys liked this video, like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new, I hope you subscribe. Thank you for clicking on this video. I will leave the wig link in the bio. All the wigs or like hair pieces that I do on my channel are my money coming out of my pocket. I don't want you guys saying nothing is what's the word? Advertised, I guess you can say. They all come out of my piggy bank, my wallet, my pocket. So yep, this is $11. I think you guys should get it. I think it's super pretty. But this was Outre Penny. I'll catch you guys in my next video.